Here's how to update your payment information for your Talley Farms box. Log into your account at talleyfarmsfreshharvest.com. Click the person icon in the top right-hand corner of your account. Select Contact and Payment Info. Click the pencil icon next to Payment Info in the bottom right corner. Select Change Payment Info. Input current card information. Click Save. To go back to your subscriptions, click on the person icon and select Subscriptions. If you are updating your payment information the morning of your delivery day after receiving a declined payment notification from us, please be sure to email freshharvest@talleyfarms.com or call 805-489-5401 to let us know that you have updated your payment information. We will have to push your payment through manually to get you back on the delivery list for that day. Make sure you contact us before 9 a.m. to get your box on the same day. Thank you for changing your payment information before your next delivery. We appreciate it.